Find out what you need to know from the experts on YourBigSky.com.
Yes, we accept all types of insurance, work with all insurance companies. Yes, it is your choice where to take your vehicle. Your insurance company cannot tell you where to take it. They will refer you to one of their shops, but you have the right to take the vehicle wherever you want. Yes, we could do custom painting. We specialize in the realistic flames. We've done all sorts of different types of artwork and airbrushing on vehicles. Yes, we work on all types, cars, trucks, motorcycles, all makes and models. Yes, we do hail damage repair and door dings, small door dings up to large dents as long as the paint hasn't been damaged. Yes, we do windshield replacement and windshield repair. Yes, we do free estimates. You could stop by anytime. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Well, what sets us apart from other shops is we are small, family-owned and operated. We have more time to spend on each vehicle, pay closer attention to detail, and we could give every customer personalized service.